Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Transformation Wednesday. I am transforming Angel's room into something beautiful because right now it's not working. It looks like a pig's pen. Angel has no organization. She doesn't know how to decorate her room, and I am here to help. I am here to rescue this room. So today we're just going to get rid of all of the clutter in her room, and we're going to make this room come alive. And yes, she's gonna help. Right here, right there. She's gonna help me today. We're gonna do this together. It's a team effort. So we're gonna take everything down and we're gonna make this room beautiful. That's what we're gonna do. And I'm excited about it because I love decorating, and I've always had her room as a project in mind, and today I'm just gonna fulfill that idea. Before I begin, I wanna share with you some of the items that I did buy. I got a couple of these from Target and Ross. And we're gonna find some of these items at home. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just know I'm gonna make it happen. So I got her pink rug down here at the bottom, and these flowers that I bought from what do you call that, Hobby Lobby, before we moved. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so it's probably 7 or 8 o'clock at night. I don't even know. I lost track of time. I stopped midway, went downstairs, cooked some dinner for the kids, the family, and then came back upstairs and finished. And I want to show you what I did. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so here is the final look of her room. I am so happy with myself. You go, Sherelle. This is so cute. I might have to stay in here tonight. This is so, look at this, y'all. This is perfect for a teenager. You can come in, honey. You can come on in.
Stay like this.
Huh?
Let's stay like this.
You just come inside. What do you think, hon? I know this is a girl's touch, but what do you think of her room?
Pretty good. It's nice.
Turn around, face people, honey.
Why are you looking in my ears?
I'll make sure you ain't still mine. They've been missing for a while.
So what do you think? You like it? Did your wife do a good job?
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta give me some credit.
Yes, Angel helped too.
Yeah, it's nice.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you didn't model room to we're selling the house.
What? You're so off topic sometimes.
It is.
Focus, honey, focus. What do you think about the room? Do you like it? It's a nice touch. It's not too much. Does it reflect Angel's personality?
Yeah. I like it. It's she turned the light, unplug the light. You know what I'm saying?
Save power, girl.
It's nice though.
Yeah, you like it.
That's very
It's rug.
it's girly.
Yeah.
You know, I think it's missing kind of a
I think we'll add
poster or something like that. Or, where's
Mommy
that?
doesn't
Oh,
like
it's right there.
I think we'll add more along the way, but for right now, I think what we have is pretty much perfect. You know, for her room is very small, but she has, you know, we had to make it brighter. We had to widen the room up a bit. We had to open up the room, you know.
You mean you had to clean the room probably?
Yes, we had to do a lot of cleaning.
No, because
So I did not want to clutter her room. You know, I wanted to keep it very simple. She has a bookcase for a bed, and she has her books over here stored to the left, as you can tell. And I wanted to keep the other spaces clean. So, you know, every other section or box or whatnot has something in it. And she has this sequin pillow, and I didn't know where to put it, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put it right there. And it actually works out perfectly because it makes the gold letters pop right there, right in front, that says Girl Power. She has a little calendar to the left with the polar bear light. And I bought those flowers before we moved. I bought them from Hobby Lobby, so I didn't even know what I wanted to do with them. And I was thinking, okay, well, maybe this will be a nice little bonus to put in her room. And I love this gold telephone. It really, really brings out her room. I just love gold accent. I love gold and white and black. I think it makes the room look so much better than what it did before. And the rope lights, I struggled, as you could tell, trying to put this up. However, it actually came out very nice, especially when you turn the lights off. It just makes her room look so much better. This is a quiet place to just relax her, you know, Angel to be in the moment, reading a book, or just, you know, playing her cards, as she says. So yeah, that's really it, guys. I'm very happy with the final results. My camera might act up when I turn the light on. And her dresser, I kept it very simple as well. She has a necklace holder, and she can put her earrings right here inside the petals if she wants to. And I bought that from Ross. And I have this love. A lot of these things that I have, it just didn't have a home, and I just found a home for her in her room. We do need to clean her mirror though. We need to clean that before. I should have done that before I filmed. I wanted to add some roses to her room with this nice little rose gold picture frame. I know a lot of people who buy frames and don't ever put a picture in it. Yes, that's us. She has a mirror so she can see herself and act the way she is now. And I bought this from Target. I think it was only $5.99, honestly. So it was very cheap. I kept the budget very low. All other things that I purchased for this project, I would say I only spent $70 to $80. That was it. A lot of the other things that I found or she has in her room was already in the house, and I just found a place for it, and it fits perfectly in her room. Not to mention the rug, which she's in love with right now. That was from Ross, and this was $18.99. So it really, really looks nice, and I'm very proud of myself. I think it fits Angel's personality perfectly. The pink, the gold, the black. I love it. So anything you want to say?
I love it so much, Mommy. It's like you're a mother to me. Like,
last time I checked, I was, unless I'm a surrogate.
It's like you know me so well, and I like.
You are so dramatic. Just tell me how you feel.
I love it.
Thank you so much.
It's so majestic.
Majestic? Okay. Look at you using big words. You know what it means? No. Okay.
Wait, it's like...
We're going to move on. So this is it for this fabulous transformation. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you want to see more, let me know, because I have 2 other rooms to do. Actually, I have 3. No? Yes, I have 3 other rooms. I have to do Cadence's room, Brandon's room, including my room. So if you want to see it, let me know. I am really, really into home decor and I just want to transform this house. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, like is the same thing as thumbs up, right? Yeah. So don't forget to comment and subscribe. I will see you the same place, same time on this channel. Until next week, guys. Bye.